Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a 2011 BMW 328 and we are changing the oil filter housing gasket because it's leaking. So let me show you. So it's leaking from here. You can see the oil. So that's the gasket is leaking. So we're gonna change it. So to open this up, you can use 8 mm socket to open this up. There is one screw over there and one that one you can see, and one is behind that. Yeah, this one. So yeah, you have to just open 3 screw and then you can pull it out. But before that, you have to open your air filter housing. So yeah, this one, these 2 screw, you can pull it up and so that you can make a space. It's up to you. If you want to remove this coolant pipe, you can use screwdriver to unplug this one, right, and then push it back, it will come out. And that's 3 screw you have to open, and one there is a sensor, which one you have to open it up. So let's start. So to open this one, you need that type of thing to open this up. So once they are fully out, and this one too. Both are out, then you can push it back. That's how. You don't have to open these ones, so it doesn't make sense to open this one, right? You can use flat screwdriver. So you can use flat screwdriver to move this one out, and for the other side too. There you go. This one, other side here. So you have to jiggle a little bit so that it will come out. So once it's out, you have more space to work on that. You can remove that cover too, just to get some better view, right? But before that, we have to pull the sensor. There is a pin on the back side of the sensor, so you have to pull it down. So you don't have to take all the screws, just take these two and move a little bit to the other side. That's how you can remove your sensor. The sensor is moved. Now we're gonna open these 3 screw by using 8 mm socket. You can use 8 mm that one also. So it's coming out. Same thing for here. Pretty congested space, but you have to manage a little bit. And for this one, the screw on the other side. Yeah, so screw on the other side, you need that type of thing to loosen it up. And one more thing, guys, you can use soap rag or some other rag to put it over there so that the oil doesn't spill. So we already take the filter out. So once you take out all the bolts, you can remove your coolant hose from here. There is a pin, you can just pull it out and you can just push it back, and you can open the filter and clean it with a soap rag or something like that. Then you can take out the housing like this, and so let's put it over there. So that's our rubber. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Yeah, so that's our rubber. You can see the condition, it's pretty bad. So See how dirty it is. So you can take it out. You can use screwdriver or something to pull it out. Let me get a screwdriver. So that the screwdriver, I got the smaller one. So yeah, that's the old one. We already got a new one. So there you go. That's our new one. So let's clean that thing first and then put it back. So guys, before putting new one, always check it's the same one when we are putting new one. So make sure it's clean. And now we can put our gasket over there, and like this. So I have to use my both hands to put it back, but let me see. Before putting it back, make sure you clean that area thoroughly. You can use a rag to clean this up. So before putting, make sure the surface is clear and plain, right? There should be no dust and all. Make sure it sits properly, and then you can just lift it up and put 3 screws back. So once you are done with tightening the bolt, make sure you set it to the torque spec. You can plug your sensor back, and there is a pin, you have to pull it up, right? And you put your coolant hose back. So after putting your coolant pipe back, your sensor back, make sure it's clean, and you can put your filter back, right? And that's how you guys can change the oil filter housing gasket. It's pretty easy job. You can do it at home. There's no need of going to mechanic. You can just do it by your own if you want to do. Then you can put your cover back, put your filter back. That's it. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a good one.